Hi, my name is Silent Dad. This video will contain solutions for the exercises in the C programming language book by Kernighan and Ritchie. Exercise 1-12. Write a program that prints its input one word per line. Okay. So here we can use the word counting program in the book as a template and then modify it uh, to suit the requirement of the program. So let's copy the word counting program. So in this case, we don't need the NL variable or the NW or the NC. That we need to state. So as to determine if we are in a word or outside a word. So, initialize state out. So here we're going to use the if statement for when the input is a box space, a new line or a tab. So if the input is a space or the input is equal to now instead of using NW, which indicates that this is the start of a word, we can print a new line. We can print a new line indicating the start of a word. Then if the state is in, or if we are in a word, we print the word. If we are in a character, if the character is part of a word or a new word, we just print the character. So this basically it. Let's try to compile and then put some input and see the result. So let's try to put an input. Okay. So what if the input contains spacing? Should be still printing one word per line, and disregarding the extra spaces between words. But you'll notice that there is a space. There is a new line. There is a new line before printing the first word. Okay, so we can modify this. So instead of printing the new line here, the printing of new line should be here. If the previously we are inside the word, so in a blank or a new line or a tab is encountered, that's where the input, that's where a new line is printed before printing out the character. Okay, so good. So we should print the first word without the space, without the new line as compared to the previous one. So let's compile. There. So there is no new line between the first word, and a new line is provided after the last word, unlike before. So let's try if there is a leading space, or and there is series of backspace between series of spaces between words. So it's the same. So that will be all for now, and I hope you learned something.